this game called Celebrity Street Fighter. Since a lot of YouTubers have been playing it, why don't I? And I'm in the middle of a fight, so yeah. Oh god. But Lee! Flip! Oh, Flip! Dan TDM! I'm also playing as Dan TDM, but I'm getting crushed here. You know what, block? No. No. Oh no. Not the pom-pom pencil. Dan TDM is gonna die. No. You know what? Rematch. You're gonna pay. You're gonna pay. Come close to me! Oh, grenade, sucker! Dodge! You know what? Enough fooling around. Wait. Can I counter that? Boo! As you can see, I can't use never-ending adding since I have to pay for it. See? And I am not paying for it, so yeah. No. Yes! Perfect! Boom! Sucker! You're gonna die! Yeah? What are you doing?
The fuck is that? Is that what the fuck is he? Is that a TVM? Huh?
Don't.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Huh? Okay. Keep the phones. Sorry about that. That was my brother. But one more fight and then that's it. Ads. Yeah, there's ads also. So you probably want to get the pro version. Oh god. Sucker! Power punch! Oh god! You... Dude! You just killed the greatest YouTuber alive! I will not forgive you! Think you're so cool? Why you're not? For some reason, he reminds me of Turbo. You know that guy, Gigane? Yeah, he looks like that. Oh no! Oh no! God. See, this is the problem. It's really hard if you can't use special moves. If I fail this one, then boom, that's it. Concentration is all it takes. Aha, sucker! Oh God! I think his special move is grenades. Whoa! We both flipped at the same time. You know what? I can't afford Dan TDM to die, so forfeit. Wait, did I click yes? No, please don't. That means I can't use Dan TDM again, like ever, right? No, 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 no. Please don't tell me. Yes, I can still play him. But which one should we use? You know what? Let's use Marcus Butler because I love his special move. Bummed out. Aw, man. Yeah, but I can't do it. It sucks so much. Where's Ali A? Yeah, here. I'm gonna play as Ali A. And Ali, if you watch this, pretend that, oh no, I have to, oh no, I'm sorry Dan TDM, but I have to fight you first. And Ali, if you're watching this, you're not Ali A, okay? You're Ali Carpenter. So that means you're Ali C, okay? Now, I'm gonna go in my concentrating mode. Wanna see yours? I'm sorry, Dan TDM, if I kill you. I'm sorry, Dan TDM. I have to kill you. Oh, that was a fail. Why is this game so laggy? They should fix this. It's laggy. It's like they're fighting with thumbs. Like, thumbs up! see if... Oh, come on! I wanna try the Juggernaut. Sorry, Dan TDM. Sorry, Dan TDM. But unfortunately, guys, it's the end of the video. So, bye.